Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to check RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to device care. After that go to memory and give it a moment. Now from here you can check your RAM or memory. Here you can see in my phone total RAM or memory is 6 GB and 3.2 GB RAM or memory is used. Also 2.3 GB RAM or memory is available. You can also check your reserve RAM or memory from here. You can see in my phone reserve RAM or memory is almost 500 MB. You can also clean your RAM or memory from here. Just tap on clean now option and you can see that will start cleaning your RAM or memory. And it's done. And that is how you can check RAM or memory in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.